Welcome back, Dingo Pack. So today I'm going to be showing you how to keep your room smelling good when you have ferrets, or even just one ferret. Ferrets are one of the cutest animals and most fun animals to have, but they're also very hard to maintain, and I will admit they do not smell good. They do have a gross smell, and their poop smells disgusting too. And most people with ferrets, their room starts to stink, and that's why they can't really handle the ferrets. But these are some tips and things you can do to keep your room smelling good. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is clean out their cage every single day. If you have more than one ferret, if you have one ferret, every other day. And no, I'm not saying you have to change all of their blankets and litter, but just spot clean it as much as you can. Another thing that helps is what type of litter you use. I've tried a bunch of different litters. I've used fresh news, I used newspapers, I've used Marshall litter, but my favorite definitely so far is the litter by All Living Things. It's paper litter and bedding, and it's for ferrets, bunnies, and guinea pigs. And I don't know, I really like it. It does help with the odor. It says 10-day odor control, and it's dust free, so I think my ferrets like it too. The next thing I do is I spray down the blankets and litter with this ferret odor remover. It actually works quite well. You don't want to spray your ferret stuff with Febreze or anything like that because that could hurt them, but stuff specifically made for ferrets is good. Another thing I use is just these little plug-in things that go to the wall, which you can just buy these tops at really anywhere, Walmart, Giant Eagle, Target, and it comes with a bottom Febreze thing, and you just plug it into your wall. And actually, when I say this, I'm not lying, it's not a sponsor, but it works so good. Every time I walk into my room, all I smell is apple cinnamon. It smells amazing. Friend, when you have ferrets, is gonna be Febreze and Glad or Glade, I don't know. You don't want to spray anything on your ferrets or on your ferret stuff, but just around your room will make your room smell way better. Trust me with this. The last thing I use is this Febreze for carpets and rugs. Yes, I'm gonna admit I get stains on my carpet very frequently, but if you just use vinegar, soap, and water, it does get the stains out, but then it ends up smelling like vinegar. It is disgusting. So this also works. Makes your carpet smell really good. So you just sprinkle some on your carpet and then sweep it up, and it helps with your room smell good. Okay, sorry, I filmed an outro and I sounded weird, but yeah, those are just some things I do to make my room smell good, and hopefully it helps and works with you guys. And yes, her birthday's actually October 7th, so it's not this week's video. It's gonna be like Tuesday next week. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Goodbye.